Very happy that my friend, Honorable Minister for Waste Management, has been given this portfolio. I have seen, I have talked to him. He's very passionate. He is very much passionately involved to treat the waste from all over Goa. My congratulations to you. I wish you all the best, all the luck. But coming back to this, Pangini, don't try to be Saint Michelangelo. Remember, this matter is hanging fire for the last 10 years. And somebody is trying to put this on your head so that you can carry this garbage at Old Goa. You see, I'm convinced of the good work done at Saligaon. I have no doubts. Here also, I congratulate the government for bringing a good state-of-art treatment plant. But I have my doubts. Whether we should go to Bangini, I have my doubts. Whether we should spoil the sanctity of this place. A place which is recognized and protected under UNESCO.
Yes.
A site which is a holy site because there is Old Goa churches and there is a mutt and there is a Mahadev temple. I am living in Margao. I have seen the stink of Sansero coming more than 2.5 kilometers away.
Because it is not treated.
Whatever you say, having a treatment plant within 2.4 kilometers from Old Goa, from the Mahadev temple, and from this holy sites, I think you will have to have a rethink because it has been kept pending for the last 10 years. You can concentrate in other places. Come as Sanslo. You may come at Verna. You may come at other places in the industrial states. But don't go to these holy places. Don't try to spoil the sanctity of the place. Consult the managements of the church and also of Mahadev temple. Discuss with them. Take them into confidence. And only if you can convince them and the people of Goa. Because for me, Old Goa is very sacred. The monuments there are recognized by UNESCO. The monuments there are protected not by only Goa, not only by this country, but internationally. So let us protect it, in your over-enthusiasm to give good state-of-art treatment plants. Don't just go there and spoil the sanctity of the place. This is my request to you. If you come to other places, I will welcome you. Whatever support we have to give you, we will give you. But at this place, I have got my doubts, and therefore, I have requested him to come to my constituency. I said, I'll give you the land there. See, for me, I know waste management is a very, very important thing. Today, Goa needs good waste management plants. We have got one of the state-of-art treatment plant, but it doesn't mean that you should come at the yard of the holy places like Old Goa, holy places like the Mutt and Mahadev temple. Let us protect the sanctity of this place because this plant is coming within 2.4 kilometers away from these places. Thank you.
Okay.